Hey everybody, welcome to the ranch. So today we are doing a video for a collaboration with Proper Potpourri, Mary Ellen. We are doing a SPAMtember video. So we are going to be making Spam and we're going to use it in 3 different sandwiches that we enjoy here on the ranch. We are a large family, and so when we eat sandwiches, we eat a lot of sandwiches. It's not something we have very often. Most of the time it's a lunchtime treat, but right now for dinner tonight, we are making Spam and something sandwiches. We're breaking it down into 3 different sandwiches. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show you exactly what we're having. Okay, so we are gonna start with the regular Spam here, and we are going to make 3 different types of sandwiches. We're making a peanut butter and jelly and Spam sandwich. We're gonna make a regular grilled cheese and Spam sandwich, and then we're gonna add egg to our grilled cheese and Spam sandwich. 3 different types of sandwiches that we love here on the ranch. My kids love them, Eric eats them, we all love them, and so I am excited to add Spam to the mix because we have actually never tried Spam here as a family. So this is the first time for all of us. So we're gonna start with the regular Spam first. Let's go ahead and take it, start cutting it up. Now we have regular Spam. This is the first time I've actually had Spam in front of me to cut, so I'm excited to try it. Now, I will say I'm gonna cut small slices. I'm gonna slice them kind of thin. And so, as I start to cut here, it's very easy to cut. I'm gonna cut my slices pretty thin. Now, I would say, this is not hard at all. Honestly, this would be a lot easier. It'd be nice to have them nice and even, because some of my slices are getting kind of thin, it's something thick. It'd be a lot nicer if I had one of those Spam slicers. Speaking of which, Mary Ellen over at Proper Potpourri is giving away a Spam slicer to one lucky winner who comments on all the videos throughout the month of September, or SPAMtember. So make sure you are watching all the videos, commenting on them, and you can go to the description for a full playlist of all the locations for the SPAMtember videos in our description box, right? So I'm cutting these kind of thin because I don't know if the kids are even gonna like it, so I'm gonna try. And one of the things I had heard was if it's too salty, Rogue Preparedness, one of the other people in here in the collaboration, said that if it's too salty, ooh, definitely cutting these a little crazy, said that if it's too salty, you can actually rinse it off. So I'm gonna be interested to see if it's too salty for some of the kids or if I need to rinse it off. So there's our slices. And I'm going to take these and stick these in my skillet to fry them up before I put them on the sandwiches. So let's take a look. So I'm just going to lay these down into my skillet. It is a nice hot skillet. And I'm going to go ahead and just start cooking these up. And I'm just going to fry them on both sides real good because I honestly heard that that was the best way to do it. So some of them are definitely thinner than others, but it's going to be good. I hit like a couple really thick pieces in there. Okay, so once I get these kind of brown on each side, I'm going to then pull them off, and then I'm going to start making the sandwiches. We love grilled cheese sandwiches around here, whether it's with egg or egg and tomato, or even peanut butter and jelly that's grilled in our skillets. We absolutely love it. So this is what the kids are having for dinner tonight, and I'm excited to throw some Spam in there and see how they like the added taste of Spam in their sandwiches. So let's cook this up, and then I'm gonna get some bread buttered and get ready to start putting the sandwiches together in this big skillet next to it. Looks pretty good. Okay, so we opened up the other Spam here. This is the hot and spicy, and then we're gonna do the bacon. I am gonna do the same thing with each can of Spam. I'm gonna try all 3. We're gonna try them in different combinations, but I'm gonna slice them up exactly the same as I just did, and I'm gonna cook them up the same. I'm just gonna lightly get it, basically lightly fry up each side, throw it onto a plate, and then go ahead and start putting them on the different sandwiches. So for that, you're not gonna see me slice and fry up all the Spam. Instead, we're just gonna get started on the sandwiches. So let me get started on this, and then I'll take you to the sandwiches.
is really hot. Ooh.
Sorry. It's hot. It's killing me. It's hot. It's killing me. I have done a regular Spam and cheese sandwich, like, you know, a grilled cheese, but let's put some Spam on it. And then I have done a Spam with a fried egg and cheese, which is another family favorite of ours. We'll add the Spam, so that's new. And now I'm on to the last one. The last sandwich that we're gonna make is a peanut butter and jelly, but with Spam. And so one of the things we really like to do here is, you know, grilled cheese is a favorite of ours, but grilled PB&J is definitely a hit around here. It's one of those things that when you can't find anything else to eat, sure enough, we have some bread and some PB&J, and then we throw it on here. Now, I add the butter right to the skillet so it browns up a little bit. I'm not gonna butter my bread because it makes it super messy. I'm just gonna make a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but I'm gonna do them separate so that I can add that Spam right in there when I grill it. So let's see, actually, I think I'm gonna put it right in the middle of it. So I'm gonna do my peanut butter on there. When I'm grilling it, I like it nice and thick. Sorry, I gotta get in this. Should have put it in a jar or something. So there's my nice thick peanut butter. And then I'm gonna do, yeah, don't judge me, don't come for me, people, because I use the same knife. I got the jam, the grape jelly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the Spam right to the sandwich. Smack it right in between the peanut butter and the jelly, and then I'm gonna put it straight in the skillet. So let's add this. This is the bacon Spam. And I started cutting them a little thicker, and I'm not getting them as done because I think that's gonna taste better. I'm gonna go ahead and put this peanut butter side on. We're gonna go ahead and put it in my browned butter in a warm, nice hot skillet. And here we go. Lay it in there. Oh, let's see how it turns out. Okay, here's our last sandwich, the grilled PB&J with Spam. I'm gonna burn my fingers off. Super easy to cut on that one. Let's feel that. All that goodness. All right, now it's time to have a few of the kids try it out and tell me what they think of the sandwiches. You can't tell if it's good or not because it's so hot. Well, a few of the other kids have already tried it out. You know, one of the things about this was it was so easy. We ended up having a late dinner because, of course, we had to make a video. But that's okay because I was super excited. We are so thankful to Prepper Potpourri for including us in this collaboration. It has been so much fun trying out something new. Spam sandwich, 3 ways, and I'm sure you can make them so many more ways. If you have any tips on how to make Spam sandwiches or any other ideas for Spam sandwiches that would be great for our family, put them in the comments below. I would love to hear your input. Don't forget to check out all the other great channels. They're gonna be in the description box below, and stick with us through SPAMtember, and we're gonna be back later on this month with a second video on some Spam things, and I'm excited to share with you what we're doing next time. So until then, hey, who likes quick, easy sandwiches to make for dinner for their large family? Farmers' wives do. See you guys later.
Your hair looks amazing.
As usual. Try it again, ready?
Bring your A game, dude. People want to see the guy Ferrari.
Sorry. It's hot, it's killing me. It's hot, it's killing me. Ow.
The camera's still over here. Bring the heat, dude. Shake that hair around. Bring it.
Hey guys, here with another
Hey guys, we're here in the kitchen today with Mom, and what I'd like to say is thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
We're here with Mom today.
Get out of my
Working in
way.
the kitchen.
Come on, here, eat this.
Whipping it up.
Here, try this.
Hey guys, we're in the kitchen today with Mom here. She made me a delicious, spicy Spam egg and cheese sandwich. We're about to dig right into Flavor Town here. Oh. Truly immaculate. It's like I died, was buried in Flavortown Cemetery, and resurrected through the power of Jesus Christ, raising me straight back into Flavortown so I can get another honkin' bite. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Okay, that one I actually got a good chunk of Spam, so. But no, it tastes really good. I like it. It's actually got a good amount of kick to it.
It's really hot.
Hot.
Wow, that looks
good?
delicious.
Hot.
You can't tell if it's good or not because it's so hot.